The Shadow Immobiliser comes complete with an iOS and Android app. The Shadow Immobiliser app allows you to control your immobilisation remotely, monitor your Shadow driver card battery charge levels, manage and update your account, as well as setting service, override modes and creating immobilisation schedules. You can use the Shadow app to start your vehicle in the absence of your Shadow card. Simply open the app, wait for the progress bar to complete and then start the vehicle. Please allow up to 30 seconds for this to be completed. The immobilisation arms up to 90 seconds after the ignition has been switched off. You can place your Shadow Immobiliser into override mode for occasions such as when your vehicle goes in for servicing or repair. From here, you can set the override time from anywhere between 1 hour up to 72 hours. You also have the ability to schedule the override facility, meaning the Shadow app can be tailored to automatically immobilise or start the vehicle on a schedule suited to you. Your Shadow card battery level is also displayed on the app, allowing you to monitor the battery charge at any time. When the charge level of your Shadow card runs low, you can also set the app to send you a push notification to remind you to charge your card. If you have more than one vehicle, you can add extra vehicles within the account settings menu. Once this is completed, you are then able to select the required vehicle by pressing the car icon in the top left of the screen. For added security, you can also set a PIN code within the same menu on the app.